Hello, there's another video today that I want to show you how to organize on Google Docs, how to create like an outline so you can easily find your document. So for example, much easier with an example, if you are working like on an assignment with multiple parts like introduction, background, and all that stuff, and you want to easily access them, you can separate them into like an outline on the left hand side. A lot of people don't know this, so I am creating a video explaining that. So basically what it does is that, for example, I am on the front page and I want to go to the essay 13 that I was doing. This is a homework assignment, for example. So then I want to find 10. So I click on 10 and it automatically brings me here. This is like really helpful for any like work proposals or anything you really need. So how you basically do that, let me do a new page, is you want to type like introduction, for example, and then you highlight it. And rather than normal text, you're going to want to go to like heading 1, and then it creates a heading. And then you can do background. Let's do point 1. And then you want to create a sub point. So you're going to insert, you're going to change this text to maybe a smaller one because you want a sub point. So that's what you're doing, and you want point 2 or sub point. Tab this because you're making like an outline or whatever this is for. You can honestly do this for whatever. You want to make 3. So then now it's kind of creating like an outline on the left hand side. And then you can fill it with a whole bunch of text, control copy, and then create another one. And it does that for you. And this can be like a new topic for whatever you need. So this is like a really easy and nice way to organize your work if you have like a ton of information. So it's one way to organize and quickly access them if you ever need to. So I hope this is helpful. This is how you organize Google Docs.